The transformative role of AI in the airline industry in 2025. Artificial intelligence, AI, has revolutionized countless industries, and in 2025, its transformative impact on the airline sector is both profound and far-reaching. From enhancing flight operations to improving customer experiences, AI is reshaping the aviation landscape with innovative tools, predictive technologies, and groundbreaking solutions. This comprehensive article explores how AI is transforming various facets of the airline industry, including examples from different countries, airlines, tools, and projections for the future. 1. Flight operations and safety. Safety and operational efficiency are paramount in the airline industry. AI has become a cornerstone of these areas, offering real-time insights, predictive analytics, and automation to enhance reliability and performance. 1.1 Predictive maintenance. AI-powered predictive maintenance tools are now essential in fleet management. For example, Boeing's airplane health management system leverages machine learning to monitor aircraft components and anticipate maintenance needs before failures occur. By analyzing historical and real-time data, the system minimizes unexpected delays, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures operational safety. Examples. 1. United States. United Airlines uses AI-driven maintenance scheduling systems that have reduced aircraft downtime by 15%. 2. Europe. Lufthansa Technik employs AI to monitor engine performance, cutting maintenance-related delays by 25%. 3. Asia. Japan Airlines, JAL, utilizes predictive analytics to optimize fleet efficiency, saving millions annually. 1.2 Optimizing flight routes. AI algorithms analyze weather patterns, air traffic, and fuel consumption to optimize flight paths. Lufthansa's AI-powered wind forecasting tool has improved accuracy by 40%, leading to significant reductions in delays and emissions. Similarly, Singapore Airlines employs AI to adjust routes dynamically, ensuring fuel efficiency and punctuality. 1.3 Real-time monitoring. Real-time data collection and analysis have made in-flight monitoring more sophisticated. AI systems detect anomalies in engine performance, fuel efficiency, and environmental factors, enabling immediate corrective actions. Innovations. 1. Boeing. Real-time data systems provide pilots with live updates to adjust flight paths for safety and efficiency. 2. Airbus. AI-powered cockpit assistance guide pilots during complex scenarios, reducing human error risks. 2. Enhancing the customer experience. Airlines are embracing AI to personalize and enhance customer experiences both on the ground and in flight. Virtual assistants, chatbots, and recommendation systems are key drivers of this transformation. 2.1 AI-powered virtual assistants. Airlines like KLM and Delta have implemented AI chatbots to provide 24/7 support for booking, flight status inquiries, and baggage tracking. Delta's AI assistant also recommends personalized in-flight entertainment based on passenger preferences. Examples. 1. Wizz Air. Amelia, their AI voice assistant, offers real-time assistance during disruptions. 2. India's Vistara uses AI chatbots for seamless ticketing and travel inquiries. 2.2 Touchless travel. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of touchless solutions. Delta introduced facial recognition technology to streamline airport processes, from check-in to boarding. Similar systems are used by British Airways and Singapore Airlines, ensuring both convenience and safety. 2.3 Personalization at scale. AI helps airlines analyze passenger data to deliver tailored services. For instance, Emirates uses AI to curate personalized travel packages, while Japan Airlines employs machine learning to recommend meals based on dietary preferences. 3. Advancing sustainability. Sustainability has become a critical focus for the airline industry. AI's ability to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce emissions is helping airlines meet environmental goals while cutting costs. 3.1 Fuel optimization. AI algorithms predict the most efficient flight paths, considering factors like wind speed and air density. These optimizations have saved airlines millions in fuel costs. For example, Qantas' AI-driven fuel management system has reduced emissions by 5% per flight. 3.2 Efficient ground operations. Airports and airlines are deploying AI to optimize ground operations, reducing energy consumption and turnaround times. Zurich Airport's AI systems, for example, monitor aircraft parking to minimize taxiing emissions. 4. Pricing strategies and revenue management. Dynamic pricing models have been revolutionized by AI, enabling airlines to offer competitive and personalized fares based on real-time demand and customer profiles. 4.1 Dynamic pricing. AI-powered tools analyze market trends, customer preferences, and booking patterns to set optimal prices. Low-cost carriers like Ryanair and EasyJet leverage AI for revenue management, ensuring profitability while offering competitive fares. 4.2 Ancillary revenue. AI identifies opportunities for ancillary revenue through personalized upselling. For instance, AI recommends extra legroom, baggage options, or lounge access during booking processes. 5. Innovations in airport operations. Airports are becoming smarter with AI technologies, ensuring seamless passenger experiences and efficient operations. 5.1 Baggage handling. AI-powered baggage tracking systems provide real-time updates to passengers. Delta's RFID baggage tracking system has improved accuracy and reduced lost luggage incidents by 20%. 5.2 Security enhancements. Facial recognition and biometric systems powered by AI are enhancing security checkpoints. Dubai International Airport uses AI to process passengers quickly while maintaining high security standards. 6. Global examples of AI adoption. North America. 1. United States. AI systems like United Airlines Connection Saver help passengers make tight connections by holding flights when feasible. 2. Canada. Air Canada employs AI to optimize crew scheduling and reduce delays. Europe. 1. Switzerland. Swiss International Airlines saved $5.4 million in 2024 using AI for operational efficiency. 2. France. Air France integrates AI with IoT devices for real-time aircraft monitoring. Asia Pacific. 1. China. China's Southern Airlines uses AI for predictive analytics, reducing maintenance costs by 30%. 2. Australia. Qantas' AI-driven flight planning tools enhance sustainability. Middle East. 1. UAE. Emirates utilizes AI to improve in-flight service personalization. Africa. 1. Ethiopian Airlines. AI tools are enhancing route optimization, helping Africa's leading carrier improve efficiency. 7. Future outlook and innovations. The global AI and aviation market is projected to reach $10 billion by 2030, with over 60% of airlines planning major AI programs in the next 3 years. Innovations on the horizon include 1. Autonomous aircraft. AI-powered autonomous planes are undergoing testing, promising safer and more efficient air travel. 2. Hyper-personalized travel. AI will enable hyper-customization, from in-flight services to loyalty programs. 3. Enhanced weather forecasting. AI tools like IBM's Deep Thunder are refining weather predictions, ensuring smoother flights. 8. Challenges and ethical considerations. Despite its advantages, AI adoption in aviation faces challenges. 1. Data privacy. Balancing personalization with privacy concerns. 2. Workforce impacts. Ensuring job security for workers displaced by AI automation. 3. Regulatory hurdles. Navigating the complex global regulatory landscape for AI applications. Conclusion. AI is undeniably reshaping the airline industry, driving efficiency, sustainability, and customer satisfaction. From predictive maintenance to dynamic pricing and touchless travel, its applications are vast and transformative. As airlines continue to innovate, the future of air travel will be smarter, greener, and more personalized, ensuring a seamless experience for passengers worldwide.